Don't forget to shake, ladies. Don't forget to shake.
Head high, chest up, and catch that brain, 'cause beauty is my name.
Alright, beauty gang, so I am going to show you guys my night to morning hair routine. A lot of you guys were interested in knowing and seeing how I like maintain or preserve my twist outs for as long as I keep them. This is a twist out that's getting old, okay? It's getting pretty old. Actually, if you have not seen the video already on my channel, I will link it at the top of the screen. But yeah, so let me give you guys a close-up real quick of how this twist out is looking, because I gotta try to bring it back to life, you know? So it's still decent, you know? There's still definition and stuff, but it's a little rough around the edges. Not a huge deal. So yeah, my hair doesn't look absolutely terrible. Plus, I am nowhere near ready to do another wash day. Okay, so I'm gonna stretch this a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I preserve, refresh, you know, spruce up my natural hair to last a couple more days. But before I start, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, be a part of Beauty Gang, and hit that bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. But just a heads up, I do post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You just don't know what time, so hit that notification bell. But without further ado, let's hop into this video. So first thing I'm gonna do is actually split my hair pretty much down the middle. Not a perfect part, just kind of separating it very gently. So we're gonna deal with this side first. There's not much frizz, and personally I don't hate frizz. I actually like frizz because it gives my hair more volume and, you know, just bigger and stuff. But I do love definition with frizz, and I do like to make sure that I at least refresh the front of my hair, just because that's really what people see. Like, people don't be all back here and stuff. When they see you, they see like the front of your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just refresh the very front of this twist out. I'm gonna take my warm to hot water in the spritz bottle and just kind of lightly, because we want this to dry by the morning, so don't drench it. I'm gonna lightly spritz my hair, and then I'm going to take my Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. It's the original kind, and I'm gonna put that on my edges because I am working on strengthening and growing my edges. Used to be very consistent with this, like doing it every night, and I've been slacking dramatically, which I can't really do because I love having my baby hairs and edges laid and slayed, and with that much manipulation I need to make sure that I'm trying to at least keep my edges healthy. So put the Jamaican black castor oil all along my edges, and then this is actually a new product that I'm using. Typically I would just go back in with the same exact products that I used for the original twist out, but this Cream of Nature Argan Oil of Morocco Twist and Curling Pudding smells amazing, and I want my hair to smell amazing. In terms of moisture and stuff, it's not the best moisturizing product at all. I'm not gonna sit up here and lie to you guys, but I don't plan on trying to like rock this twist out too much longer, so I'm not too worried about my hair not being extremely moisturized, you know? I just want it to smell good when I walk past people, like they get that whiff. So that's why I'm using, this smells amazing, amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna put that throughout this one section. It also acts as dang near like a gel, so if I was to use Eco Styler gel, in order for it to like hold the twist or hold the curl or whatever, a curling pudding basically acts the same exact way. Make sure it gets on the ends. Coil the end, and there we go. Got our 2-strand twist. I'm gonna do the same thing to this section. Lightly spritz the hair. You want it to dry, okay? And you know, something I could have actually did is apply olive oil back on this section before applying the curling pudding. But again, in the next 2 to 3 days, I plan on like doing my wash day, so I'm not really tripping too hard. If you're a huge definition freak or just really big on like anti-frizz, then you can do this to a couple of sections of your hair. I personally, as you can see, still have curl definition in majority of my hair, so I'm not gonna go ham with the 2-strand twist. I'm gonna do just enough to refresh the style so it still looks fresh, you know? I know this is a really random piece, but this part is really frizzy, so I'm gonna do this section too. Alright, so pretty sure the rest of my hair is good. It doesn't need all that much refreshing, so yeah. Now I'm going to do 2 mini pineapples on this side. Most naturals usually do 1 pineapple as a whole, but I personally like to stretch kind of all the roots, or as many roots as possible. Whereas if you only do 1 pineapple, it typically only stretches like the perimeter of your hair because that's what's getting pulled back. The middle section isn't really getting pulled like that, if that makes sense. So that's why I do multiple pineapples. In this case, I'm only gonna do 4. So it stretches more roots than just 1 pineapple. And you only loop it literally once. That's it. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did to this side, to this side. You know what too? Instead of making the pineapple low like this, you can go ahead and pull it upward and it'll stretch these back pieces and therefore give you a little bit more elongation. I'm gonna wrap it 1. Well, this is a really loose one. I'm gonna wrap it twice. So yeah, that is all I'm gonna do for tonight. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my scarf. I'm using the Her Given Hair satin lining. Scarf stays on my head all night. It's old though, mine is really old. I need them to send me a new one. All I have to do is pull it up and you can see it's out of the frame. But it literally stays on my head all night. As ridiculous as it looks, who cares? Only person that sees me when I sleep is God. So yeah, that is my nighttime routine. And I will see you guys in the morning. Alright you guys, so it is the next morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down these mini pineapple sections. Alright, then shake it out. Oh, cover the lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and take down the twist that I created last night. Oh, you guys see how pretty this is? Oh! Separate. Twist a little bit. Alright, so the twists I did last night are taken down, but my hair isn't giving me the life that I need it to give me. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some volume to it and lay my edges. Now OG Beauty Gang members, especially those who saw my how I lay my edges video, knows that Gorilla Snot is that thing. That's what lays my edges like all day. But I think the reason that Gorilla Snot holds my edges better than like Eco Styler Gel, whatever, it's because it has alcohol in it amongst a whole bunch of other ingredients. And because that's kind of harsh, nowadays I like to put some castor oil on my edges before putting this on it. So I put this on top. I just think it helps with the health of my edges, keeping them, you know, full and healthy. Hopefully helps prevent a lot of breakage and stuff, because I love my edges being laid, but not more than having my edges. Now I'm putting the Gorilla Snot over top of it. I noticed that it does give me a white cast. But last time I attempted this, putting the castor oil on before the Gorilla Snot, the white cast went away. As you can see, it's already starting to dry clear on this side. I don't know, I just feel like the black castor oil almost acts as if like a protective layer before applying the edge control. Now on to the rest of my hair. I want more volume, I want more life, so I'm gonna take my pick and just pick at the roots. And I'm pretty sure majority of you guys all know to never put the pick, comb, whatever, all the way through your curly hair. You will literally break off all your hair by doing that. You just want to get at the roots. So I know I'm gonna get questions of people asking, oh, well, what day hair were you on? This is day 4 or 5 hair. And that's why I decided to refresh it the night before. I left my hair in the twist for like 2 days before taking it down. So I've had this style in total without taking it down, like the twist included, for almost a week now. So I wanted to stretch it just a couple more days. So that's how I refresh my hair to make it last a little bit longer. It doesn't look brand new, but it doesn't look super old. As you can still see my definition. They did dry clear. So I would highly suggest, ooh, yes, honey, yes. But yeah, I would highly suggest applying some type of oil or like protectant, whatever, before applying Gorilla Snot. Because although it slays our edges and keeps them laid all day, you don't want to lose your edges just because you want laid edges. You know, I can get my hair bigger. I'm actually thinking I might stretch my hair a bit, but I'm gonna probably do that off camera. Alright y'all, so after I stretched my hair off camera, this is what my hair is looking like. Has a lot more life to it and body to it. And a couple reasons why I didn't show how I stretched my hair in this video is, 1, I'm gonna do a separate video. 2, not everybody likes using heat to stretch their hair, and I didn't feel like hearing anybody's mouths. And 3, I don't do this every day for a night to morning routine. It's just usually when my style gets really old and stuff, I'll stretch my hair how I did. So I like it, I like it, I like it. But yeah, you guys, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe again if you are new. Hit the bell button if you haven't already. Old Beauty Gang members as well as new Beauty Gang members. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Really hope you guys enjoy. And until next time, guys, bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. 1 time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you're on it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.